Today, I can begin again. My inner light still shines today. I don't have to be perfect. I only need to take one small step. Today is a new chance. I am brighter than yesterday. I am ready to start again with hope. I am growing a little every day. Small effort creates big change. Even when I cannot see it right away, I am learning, changing, and becoming stronger. My today becomes tomorrow's growth. I am proud of my small steps. I can do it. Even in hard moments, I choose courage. Courage does not mean I am never scared. Courage means I try again even when it feels hard. Courage grows inside me. I am stronger than I think. I can think calmly, and make better choices. I can pause. I can think. I can choose what helps me grow. A calm heart helps me become wiser. Every wise choice makes me stronger. My path is opening little by little. I move forward at my own pace. I do not need to compare myself with others. I have my own time. I have my own journey. Even without comparing, I am doing well. I am walking my own beautiful path. My dream is precious. Step by step, I move closer to my dream. Big dreams do not happen all at once. They grow through small choices, small efforts, and brave days. One small step leads to a big dream. I keep going with hope. It is okay to make mistakes. I learn again and I rise again. Falling down does not mean I failed. It means I have a chance to learn something new. Even if I fall, I move forward again. I can always start again. My future is bright and full of hope. I am loved, growing, and shining. I believe in my dream. I believe in my path. I believe in the person I am becoming. I am getting closer to my dream and my future. My light will keep shining.